A&E Brothers was a company, I looked at a lot of them. A&E Brothers seemed to be the one that had a lot of quality, but also was at the right price, and I was able to get a lot of high quality work done on a budget. A&E Brothers, their people were good. Brian, the foreman from A&E Brothers, was excellent. He was a real gentleman and always showed up on time. I thought the job would be a quick one and a small one, but it ended up being a lot because I could get a lot done with A&E. The project was very clean. A&E Brothers, they were very responsive to my individual needs. I had ended up doing like a lot of very custom things, a lot of custom woodwork. They were excellent with the millwork. I could get some doors done. I had a really beautiful kitchen put in after I saw the quality of their millwork. Armin himself has a lot of ability to act like an artist. You know, he made a very beautiful fireplace for me. And overall, he understood what I wanted and was able to deliver it. It's just basically a whole new set of lipstick on the whole place, basically. So yeah, it looked very different. Yeah, I would definitely recommend A&E Brothers for your work, big or small.